Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Calendly. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you need to go to the Calendly website. Make sure that you type it correctly so you can be on the exact website. And from here, we need to create an account. So now I'm just going to use the free trial of the Calendly and I'm just going to sign up with my Google account and I'm just going to continue with it. We click continue and you just allow it to access to your Google Calendar. And from here, we wait for the Calendly to set up. And here you will need just to add your URL. You can name it whatever you like, for example, like that, add your time zone, etc. Continue and wait for it. And from here, you can uh, choose or see if calendar will work with Calendly. And basically, you will need just to click on continue again. And you can edit the calendar to choose any calendar that you would like Calendly to be synchronized with. And from here, you will choose your set, you will availability. So you can have, or so it will help you in scheduling your events, etc. And from here, you can choose your role, etc. And you will need just to click finish. So let's just, for example, in my case, I will just choose education and click on finish. And from here, we can start using our Calendly. And basically, if you want to create some events, you will need just to click on create. You will create an event type. So you will choose from a template or you can have a meeting poll, etc. And you will have it that will be added on your Google Calendar too. And you will start using Calendly. So basically, this is how you can set up your Calendly on the Calendly web app. Thank you for watching and see you next time.